Hey guys, Sylwia here, and welcome all to my little chef review. Little chef, little. Oh my goodness. Right, so little chef review by Mr. Nelson Long. Alright, so let's go. Here I have the review access. I'll show you this beautiful product. What is a Little Chef? Well, it's a unique collection of 100 recipes designed to bring parents and children together in the kitchen, most needed these days. Alright? With people spending too much time glued to the screens without a significant amount of time and energy put into bonding, making connections, real stuff. I know this is how I love to bond with my daughter as well, by cooking and together, even though I don't do much cooking because most of the food I eat is raw. So chopping up the fruit and vegetables and salads and what's up, Doc? Yeah. But yeah, preparing food. Okay, so each to their own. But creating stuff together. So guys, this comes with PLR, right? So full PLR included. I'll show you what you're gonna get here let's scroll through the sales page. It's high quality, beautifully designed, family bonding, fully customizable and flexible. You can use Canva to change them up, customize them. They will be delivered in both PDF and Canva. I love how this product, is being delivered to the buyers, to the customers. I'll show you. I have it all downloaded here, so I'll open up the files and show you in what kind of format you will get them and all of that, and how to go about customizing them. Right, but here you have some examples. They're stunning, right? And the PLR, so you can resell them. There's plenty of ideas on how to make money with them. I love it. I like it a lot that Nelson Long always, even though there's no training on how to sell them, how to make money with them, and you would think, it would be great to learn how to resell these PLR products. This is a PLR product, guys, so with a massive amount of value, so let's not expect too much from the product maybe, but here some amazing affiliates come to the rescue. Alright, and show you how to do it. I have prepared a bunch of bonuses. Some of them are custom made, so you'll not find them anywhere else. Okay, by me, created by me. Especially the first one I created actually yesterday. And I thought, I'll just show you how to monetize them, how to make money with them on platforms like Creative Market. Have you heard of this platform? You might have. But have you used it to make money with it, on it? Maybe, maybe not, okay? Etsy, another way of monetizing with these kinds of products specifically. These are the platforms to go to target. Now, back to the product, guys. Please read through that. If you decide this is the one for you, click the button here. By the way, it goes live, let me just double check, on the 13th of July at 9 a.m. New York time. And from then on, you'll be able to pick it up. Just click on the link below my review. It's going to take you to this sales page. And this is the call to action button. Alright, so that's that. Now let me show you the product. So the members area will look like this. And here, as it says, unique collection of 100 recipes designed to bring parents and children together in the kitchen with PLR rights. So click to start. And from there, you just need to, you see this PDF and Canva zip. So click on that to download it. I'm not going to do it again because I have already downloaded them. And let me show you the apple cinnamon muffins recipe. So as you can see, you have them in PDF and you have them in and you have them in muffins. And you have them delivered as a Canva link. I'll show you what I mean by that. I will open up the PDF first, and even though you can resell them as they are, by all means, depending on how you're gonna go about reselling them, okay? Now, if I was to package them up into like a recipe book or something, I would probably create professional book cover for that. Okay, if I was to resell them on, say, Creative Market or Etsy, follow these tutorials, okay, to know how to use these platforms for monetizing your PLR products. And then I would probably go to Canva and change it up. So you see, the second file will take you to Canva. Where was it? One second, let me click on it again. So you take that link, open it up in a new tab, and there you go. You've got the template here, and if you scroll below, click on this Use Template for New Design, and that takes you directly into your free Canva account, and that's the beauty of it. And you can use it to, you know, make changes. You see it's drag and drop. You can change the text. You can slap your logo on it, which I would recommend you to do. You know, do a few edits if you wish, but I must say it's just stunning as it is. But you may want to make it into your own unique original product. Okay, but I love it that he delivers it in as a link taking you to Canva, and PDF, which is like, you know, you can use it as is. Right, guys, so that's the product, and you're getting 100 of those. As you can see, here is the whole file I have just downloaded again. So there you go, all of the recipes that you see here. All right, I see a lot of vegan and vegetarian recipes too, which is nice to see. You can also, guys, use this Photopea platform, which is a free version of Photoshop. You might have heard of it, you might have not. I'm just like throwing it out there for you to discover it, to play around with it, to use it. Now let's check out the funnel. There will be a few upsells. We've got them here. Okay, so the front end will be $17. There will be an inline offer, Little Chef Extra, so more content for $9.99. And then there will be this, okay, they're not in order here, but probably this one here is Little Chef Upsize for $47, is most likely the OTO number 1. Okay, hold your horses. I should have more information about the upsells in the correct order here. So here we have it. Yeah, so upsize 37. Maybe there's a downsell to it. Then there's next one, Recipe Blowout Combo for 37, Keto Canvas Combo for 37, Motivational Videos Combo 37, and some of Nelson's previous products. Okay, so I would say, you know, this inline offer, and then the which one? The Little Chef Upsize Extra are very congruent with the front end, and there's a bump offer to it, right? And as for the rest of the funnel, you may not want to pick them up, depending on if you like them or not, if you need them for your business or not. Okay, the previous, the not new products, the previous releases by Nelson. Still great products, right? So go through the funnel, take what you want, leave what you don't want. Now let me just elaborate a little bit on the bonuses I have here for you. So the first one, guys, I created it yesterday, and I stayed till quite late at night, which I normally don't do because I appreciate my beauty sleep so much. But, you know, sometimes you have to make exceptions. So it's called Little Chef on Creative Market, your recipe for success. So how to create these recipes on this amazing marketplace called Creative Market, which you might have not heard of. But it's like as popular, I mean, as amazing as Etsy. A lot of people have heard of Etsy, but not of Creative Market. So step by step checklist is a guide. Okay, a lot of clickable links. It's 6 pages long, so not too lengthy, to the point. You know, actionable steps on how to prepare your product for selling, how to set all up, how to optimize your shop, this and that, and then even how to promote on social media, via email marketing, how to do the keyword research, okay, how to basically do the marketing on creative market. Now the next bonus I have here is how to sell your creations on Etsy. It's a full-blown training course, okay, delivered to you in a video and audio format. So let me show you what I've got here for you. Audio and video, right? Step by step, how from the overview, setting everything up on Etsy, to how to market on Etsy and all of that. And then I have also another, which is a PLR product, and the previous one about Etsy is PLR. This one is MRR, so Master Reseller Rights, meaning you can resell it, keep all of the profits, but you cannot change it up. You cannot customize it. You cannot make any edits. You have to resell it as you find it. So let me show you this one, Anti-Aging Superfoods Pack. So if you're in health niche, a lot of people are into health niche, waking up to the reality that we are what we eat, or more importantly, we are what we absorb, okay? Because if your intestines are not clean, they will not absorb the nutrition coming from healthy foods. So yeah, here come cleanses and detoxes to the rescue. That's obviously another subject. So let me just show you this Anti-Aging Superfoods ebook. It looks like this. It's a full package this is the report, this is the email for promoting, this is the squeeze page should you want to use it as maybe as a lead magnet. You could be, okay? And this is the ebook delivered to in PDF, 22 pages long, pretty beautiful. Forever young, this is what I totally believe in, and it's totally possible to stay forever young. But I guess it mainly comes down to our perspective, our spirit, our mindset, right? Some people never age. I mean, we age, physically, and not necessarily drastically, okay? It all depends on our lifestyle. But if we stay young in our hearts, we don't really age. The spirit doesn't age, does it? All right, and another bonus I have for you is this daily habit hacks. All comes down to our daily habits. Our daily habits determine the course of our life, whether we're gonna make it or not make it, okay? Come to success, whatever success means to you, because it means different things to different people. But yeah, I guess it comes down to being productive, constructive, creative. To me, that's like, and feeling it, living in the moment. That's success to me. Being able to live in the moment and enjoying life every single day. All right, so I'm going to show you the daily habit hacks. I'm probably downloading it for the second time. This is quite a big file. That's why it's taking time to download it. But let me, since I already started, so let me just show you. There you go. This is a massive product. So again, for reselling all of the information and documents and this and that, even articles to do with this ebook, reselling this ebook, check this out. It's a PDF, 43 pages long, so it's a serious product, I would say. And it comes with master reseller rights. So guys, all of those are my bonuses. Do you like them? Alright, if you do, you're gonna get them if you pick up the product via the link below my review. Again, this is the sales page. As soon as the product goes live, you will be able to pick it up. Just smash that button. The call to action button, this button here. Click here to join, and voila, the product is yours. And my bonuses. Alright guys, I'm going. I thought I was gonna make this review super short, but me is me. I like to ramble. Yes, I do. Some people don't like it. Some people like it. It's fine. I'm not here to please everybody. I guess I would not be normal if I was able to please everybody. So I don't aim for it. All right. Bye.